crossing right there, you know. Oh, come on, what the matter with you people? Yeah, look. Why do they do these things? Really ought to look before you run into the road. Why do I even bother indicating? And there's this lot who don't understand how a crossing works. Look at that, not even paying attention when they cross against the lights. And another one. Not even paying attention at all. Ah, just press the button and wait for the lights. What's the matter with you? Bloody hell. There's a crossing just over there on your left. What is wrong with these people? Perfectly good pavement there. Fucking idiot. Oh, jumping the lights. Pedestrians that don't understand the rules. Not looking, not listening. Alright, just walk straight out in front of me, not looking, not listening. And of course, more morons that don't understand how a crossing works. Just don't get it. Footpath on either side and they walk down the middle of the road. Really ought to look before you cross the road. Another one and a couple more. It's a crossing right there. Ah, come on. What is the matter with you? Oh, fucking idiots. No, you're not going to use the footpath, rather walk in the cycle path. Didn't even notice. And another load of morons who don't understand how a crossing works. Another one, and one on the UMV jumping the lights. Alright, what's this zombie doing here? Staggering around in the middle of the road, staring at his phone. A fucking zombie wandering around in the road. Knob end. Oh, come on. There's a crossing right there. What the hell is wrong with you people?